Alrighty, y'all see it. It's a 2006 Dodge Charger. I got some adhesive glue. Maybe we can get those little things back on there if I can glue them, and then maybe we can get this one back on here too. But yeah, it's a 2006. Definitely gonna take it to get it detailed up. Tires in pretty good condition. This is like the only real like damage right there, like that little, like that's it. That needs to like get redone, but I ain't about to redo that. All-wheel drive. They put the little out the market little sporty style spoiler on there. Interior really not bad. It's really just like the carpet and stuff. Carpet, that seat, and then like that. But y'all see it's 150,000, basically 151. Charger. Stars right up. Does need some gas. Probably would have started a little. Does need some gas. Probably would have started a little bit better with some gas in it, but the AC does work. Heat works. No service lights on. No service lights or nothing on. 0.5, it ain't just a little V6er, it ain't, you know, V6er with a good look. Little V6er with a good look, you know. Let's try to get all this like paint and stuff off of there. Whatever. Hey, maybe they can get all that off. Hopefully it all comes off pretty easy. But yeah, that's it. Got a bag of little tortillas. Don't care about the tortillas, but we'll take an extra funnel. Can't never have too many funnels. What is this? Looks like the back of a baby seat. Whoa. Can't have to. Pop the hood for y'all. But yeah, we're gonna try to get these little trims back on. Little 3.6, a little clean, needed. Oh, it's a 2.7, ain't even a 3.5. It's a little, like they just kind of went spray crazy. Yeah, they just started. Yeah, they didn't, whatever they put on here, they didn't put it on, so it's a little 2.7. It's a little 2.7, oh well. Still got a nice look to it. That might be one of the reasons why I got it so cheap, but oh well, I think I can still sell it for about, because of the look and the name, I can still sell it a little bit over $3,000, 35, somewhere in there, because you know the body style, whatever the person done to it, I mean they didn't really do nothing to it. Really, it's just the body, really just the body style. Body style, the look, the tires. Probably get about $3,000, 35, but y'all will see at the end of the video if y'all watch it all the way through how much I paid for it. So for what I paid for it and for what somebody's going to pay for it, I think it's a fair exchange. Gotta fix that arm glove box. Was it just broke? I don't know, it's just broke, it looks like. Like they put some extra bulbs in here. They put a little fuel treatment in there, so I guess, you know, they trying to be somewhat responsible. But yeah, we're gonna put those little adhesive things on there, and then and it's all-wheel drive, so they gotta make it bring it. Go put some gas in there. like 10, 15 bucks. Probably like, yeah, somewhere in there, a couple gallons. Gas is like $3, like it's like $2.99 if I get some ethanol. So $2.99. What is it? It's actually $3.15 right there. But that one's a little bit cheaper down that way. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all gas prices is like. Also, let me know in the comment section below, did I buy this for a good price? And what would you sell it for? The name just speaks for itself. It doesn't matter what your Charger it is. But we look over one before it gets detailed. But you know they're gonna clean up the wheels and everything, shine it up, have the wheels and everything all shiny. Put that on there. Get all this little racing. Hopefully that stuff will just get on there. If not, then I'll just leave it with the 2 stripes. If it ain't too like bad, if the glue don't do too bad of a job. But definitely gonna glue that back on there. Let's definitely put those. Try to get those back on here. But whatever they did, they kind of rhino lined it, you know. That's cool though. I always wanted to do a kind of car like this, like just because like it does look good. Like if you get like this person did it somewhat good, but they didn't like do it like the best, you know. It was like whoever did it tried to do everything themselves, but they didn't do it the best. They did a pretty good job though. See, cause I don't even mind it though, like how they got it. Like this is rhino lined and that, and then like painted. Like I would do something like that. I'll definitely do something like that. I like it though. The price got to go up. Yeah, I would definitely do a car like that, like the 2-tone, like vinyl line up top, door, the bottom and grill, and then a paint job. Yeah, that don't look like a bad photo right there. Thank everybody for rocking with me. If y'all haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe. I'm out. About to try to get these little moldings on here to fit right. Hopefully we can get it to fit right. Appreciate y'all. Put some gas in here. Detail shop. We out. Peace.